What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I got some really cool items. We're headed to Jonah's shop. We're gonna install my new drag wing that I got from CCC Racing. I mentioned it to you guys in my past videos. I do have a promo code. You'll be able to check it out in the link below to save some money on your drag wing for your specific vehicle. They also have some really cool side skirts. That's what I have in this box here. Let's go inside. New drag wing. Oh, nice. Rods right here. All right. Got 4 support rods. Whoa. Same size as me. All right, now it should come right out. And there we go. I've never seen this car wingless. So we have the wing right here. We're gonna mock it up real quick, see how it's gonna look. Yeah, so that's pretty much how it's gonna go. I like it a lot. Looks really good. Just gotta put the rivets in it, and then we have the brackets that came with the wing as well, which I'm trying to figure out if I'm gonna put them to the bumper or the trunk. Really wanna make it to where I can still open the trunk easily without having to basically disconnect brackets and all this stuff. So we'll see what Jonah comes up with. Yep, and then you can put it, we're gonna try to put it on the trunk, or you can put it to the bumper as well.
Yeah.
Really just depends on how you like it. We got 4 that came with the wing, so I'll probably get these coated too, really nice and black. Kind of match everything that I have going on. One really cool option that you can do with these wings is get them wrapped carbon fiber. So that's what I chose to go with. The weave looks really good. Can't even tell that it's wrapped. And underneath, you can flip it a little bit. So they're actually made out of aluminum, but this side you'll never see. I mean, it's gonna be mounted like that. And this is just fully optional. People get these painted, you can get it to match the same color as your car or do whatever you like, but I love carbon fiber, so decided to choose carbon. Another thing that I got with these were the side skirts, which I'll show in another video installing them. I got them wrapped carbon to match the wing. If you have a hatchback or EG, EK, whatever you have, pretty much, they sell them on their website. You can check it out at www.cccracing.com. I'll have the link in the description below. All right, guys, so we just got to the shop. Kevin's already working on his car. As soon as we got here, the first thing that he did, we got Bradley here helping. Let's go inside, check out what they're doing, and then I'm going to unbox these CCC side skirts so you guys can see them as well. Let's go inside and see what they're up to. We've got the garage literally a mess right now. We've got the 2 lifts right here. We just have not installed them yet. It's actually gonna be installed next week, so we are so excited for that. Got the Evo here, waiting on the motor to get back from JBRE. And then I also have my 8th gen. That's, everything needs work pretty much. So the guys are over here working on the Integra. We're trying to get it ready to race this weekend. They're installing a flex fuel sensor so Kevin can run E85. His car has only run pump gas 93 for its whole entire life, so it's gonna be the first time he puts a different fuel in here. Pretty much a bigger motor, so needs better fuel. 93 is not gonna cut it anymore. He also picked up my Kirky seat right here. He's gonna borrow this weekend. It's actually sitting on EG rails, so it'll go right in with no problem. Because Kevin sold both of his seats. So we got the car back running, but we ain't got no seats in here. So he's gonna run the Kirky for this weekend. We're just gonna go to have fun and have a good time and see what numbers he can run at the track. So here I have the side skirts. I am so obsessed with the way they packaged this box. This is so cool. Literally the shape of the side skirts. These are wrapped carbon as well to match the wing. Let's unbox it and check it out. Gosh, these look so good. I'm so obsessed with the wrap on these. Oh my gosh, these look absolutely amazing. I don't know if you guys can see that from over here. They look so good. All right guys, so here you have the CCC Racing side skirts, and these are wrapped in carbon fiber. As you can see, this looks so good. Can y'all see that? I know I'm like blocking the lighting, but I'm so happy. These look absolutely amazing. Really, really looks like real carbon fiber. I love it so much. It's gonna look so good with the drag wing. And I also have a new wide front end that's coming in, and it has a carbon lip on it. So this is gonna blend so nice. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so happy that the car is finally come along and I'm building it the way I've always wanted it. So I actually put the side skirts next to the Evo, and crazy enough that they literally fit. They're like the same entire length as my Civic. So I'm gonna like mock it up to show you guys, but I think they'll look really, really nice on the Evo. May have to see if they'll make some for the car. I think it'll look really dope. Literally the same length. You guys see that? It looks so nice though. I think it'll look really, really good. It's crazy how this is literally the same length as a coupe. So CCC, you may need to make some for the Evo because they look so good with all of the carbon accents that I have in the front. All I need now is a carbon trunk. I think that'll look really, really good. But I'm so happy with the quality of everything. You guys can see this weave. It looks so, so good. And everything is wrapped so nice and perfect. Huge shout out to CCC Racing. Be sure to use promo code PRBeauty to get a discount on your side skirts and drag wings. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed and got to see a little bit of CCC Racing, what they have to offer. And I'm very impressed with their products. I mean, that carbon fiber wrap looks so, so good. I can't wait to put the Civic completely together and have it done. Quick update on that because I know you guys are probably wondering what's going on. I will have the car back this upcoming month in June. So excited to have the car back and in the shop. The list will be installed by then. It's been out of my hands for the past couple of months, so I can't wait to get to work on it and literally come in here every single day and get something done because there's really not much left. There's a handful of things, but I know I can get it done really fast once it's in my hands. So can't wait. If you're interested in any of CCC products, check them out. Use my code PRBeauty to save you some money. It's definitely worth a try, guys, and I will be doing some install videos for the side skirts and show you guys the wing when it gets installed and things like that. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.